Hi Upper Darby families. This week we are going to look at some phonological awareness activities, starting with blending. In the classroom, when we do this, the teacher will say two words with a pause between them. The students will repeat those two words, and then they will blend them together to make one word. For example, if the word was sunburn, the teacher would say sun, burn. The student would say sun, burn, and then blend those two words together and say sunburn. Another example would be football. The students would repeat football and then blend those two words together to say football. Let's practice. These are some words you can practice with your children at home. This is what it would sound like. Play, ground, playground. Leader, ship, leadership. Kick, stand, kickstand. Egg, plant, eggplant. Out, side, outside. Post, card, postcard. Snow, man, snowman. Ginger, bread, gingerbread. You can use these words or any other compound words to practice blending with your child at home. Remember, when we are doing phonological awareness activities, we aren't looking at anything in print. We are doing everything just listening. Happy practicing!